So right now I am here in this location of this part here. There are flowers, and as long as I can remember, these are bougainvillea flowers. If I am correct, or I can still remember it way back in school. Okay, so the lighting in this part is much more better compared to the other one that I tried earlier. And we will find another place here that has more of a lot of nice lighting at this hour. So right now it's around 3 p.m. plus in the afternoon. Then taking this nature walk for detoxifying. Okay, the flowers there are so beautiful. This one. So those are bougainvillea flowers, while this part here are calachuchi flowers. So those are what they say that are flowers. Yes, flowers for the dead, calachuchi flowers. But those calachuchi are very fragrant during evening or nighttime. Yep. So here it is, the calachuchi flowers here.